Hi everybody, in this video we are going to look at how to make a word bold in Microsoft Word in under 2 minutes. Let's go! Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's say you would like to make your headings bold. You're going to highlight the section you want to make bold. This is bold. Click on it and it will go bold. If you decide against having it bold, you will see it's highlighted when applied. Click on it again to remove the bold. So now let's make our headings bold. But you can also use this in the middle of a sentence or anywhere in your document. Let's say you want to highlight home address. So highlight whatever you want to make bold. Just click on it and there you go. Let me know what you need help with and I will make a video for you. Remember to subscribe. Bye now.